thing you do when you wake up in the morning?
I make my bed and go for workout.
What are the activities you do when you are not working in the office?
Make my team happy because they are intelligent people and they need to get a break. So it's my responsibility to make them happy. So I always make a fun with them.
How do you run a meeting?
Okay, so whenever you are about to kick off your meeting, you always need to make sure that meeting will be interesting. So you always share the agenda of meeting with your team, and whenever they will get into the cabin, make sure that you always start with some fun, so they don't consider that they are going to attend meeting and their brains start producing some good ideas. So that's how we do meeting.
What does the future of Atlic look like?
So I would say Atlic will not be just a company or an IT firm. It will be a culture, it will be a big family. People say that your corporate is your extended family, but we don't want to make it just an extended family. It will be your family where you always want to spend your lots of time meeting new people, exploring some ideas, making your financial future stable, and the rest of things will be taken care of by management of Atlic.
What's the biggest change you have seen in Atlic since its inception?
So we believe in keep learning and keep growing. So every time we learn something, we execute it, and that is the reason that we are growing on very rapid rate. But the one major change we have seen is we have very less iteration rate, and that is the reason that we are growing very fast. So we must say that our people, they love us, they love our culture, they love our policy, and that's why I must say they love Atlic.
What's the most important trait a leader or an entrepreneur should have?
So one should not consider their employee as just an asset or resources. They always need to consider that these people will assure your future, your bright future. So always be wise with them. If they have any query, any questions, be with them. And if you just make sure that they will be happy with you and they will be secure in all the terms, then they will own the responsibility. And that's how you have so many honors.
Who has been the greatest influence on you?
I must say my brother, because when I graduated, I had very low score, and at that low score, I knew that I could not find a job. So it was just my brother Dhaval who just inspired me that you have some business skills, you can be an entrepreneur, so you should do it. And he always asked me that no matter what, whether you are going to earn anything in a year or not, always you will learn something, and that learning will make your future very bright. So yes, of course, he has very good impact in my life.
The one trait I look for in a new hire is
Sincerity and honesty.
what is the best professional advice you've ever been given?
Yes, that's a good question. So ethics, always keep your ethics with you and always have a dignity. So if you believe that this is something you have to do it, then no matter what, you have to do it.
Which Atlic value speaks to you the most?
I must say my team.